自 Philippines。
Hello, Vicky。嗨。我想问一下，就除了 JCJ，今天就是歌手的舞台上有没有自己比较喜欢的中国的歌手，或是听过他们的歌
？Before going to China, I listened to the song Rainbow. Rainbow, and then The Key. I forgot. I think that's the title of The Key. 我的爱是不止一首诗。Those are the kinds of songs I listened to before I came to China. But I don't think I remember all the titles. But of course, before coming to China, I also researched about all the contestants, and I found out they're amazing artists. Amazing artists in videos, but they're more amazing live. So when I finally got the chance to watch them live, I was blown away, like completely blown away. Amazing, amazing artists.
来中国之前，其实他有听过一些中文的歌曲啊，像彩虹啊这些。然后呢，但是他说相信我，你们来到了现场，听到这些歌手现场的声音，远比你们在网上去搜他们的视频来的要震撼，让他觉得就是说哇，中国的歌手原来唱歌唱得这么棒。对。
在一个陌生的国度参加这样一个歌唱类的比赛的话，对于接下来的比赛有没有非常十足的信心？
Confidence. I mean, confidence in what aspect?
自信是哪一些方面
Confidence with the performance. Confidence.
表演呢，还是说文化上？
表演的比赛的一个毕竟这是一个竞技类的。
As for a competition.
It's very hard to be confident, like with the results. Maybe are you asking about that? Because every week, the artists always try to push themselves and to always do something different. So you can never tell what's going to happen and who's going to be on top or who's going to be first or second or third. But I think my confidence is coming from believing who I really am. So I came to China without... I'm not even sure if anybody in China knew me before I came to China. But what I had with me was loads and loads of support from my family in the Philippines, and the talent that was lent to me by someone up high. So I think that's where I get my confidence.